Latest on the transfer news, sanibona bafethu uvanelo. So I'm back again with indaba zakubethe Premiership. Amateam amaningi ayathenga, engabe yakho i-team iyathenga na. So ngizoqanga indaba ehamba phambili. Kuthiwa Orlando Pirates isijoyinile i-race yokusayina i-left back elisha laseSenegal. I-left back elisha laseSenegal, igama lakho uThala Mbaye. Umjida udlala kwi-TP Mazembe, una 27 years old. Currently ufunwa currently njalo ufunwa iZamalek le yase-Egypt. Let's hope Orlando Pirates izokwazi ukuyiwina le race le, balisayine leli defender le. Kwezinye izindaba, i-striker se-Orlando Pirates Omakgopa will not be heading to Tunisia to join Esperance. Ngikhumbula kahle i-Esperance yayi-interested ekusayineni u-Evidence Makgopa ngokusho kweyindaba, but-ke kuthiwa i-club i-turn down le deal le ukuthi umjida ahamba ayodlala le eNorth Africa. Kuthiwa both i-club nomdlali bayasho ukuthi hayi abathani ngempela ukuthi umjida ahambe ayojoyina iclub yale eNorth Africa. Umjida u-Evidence Makgopa besathanda kusayina i-deal entsha with Orlando Pirates, a new 3-year deal with the Orlando Pirates. Kuleyo deal ayisayinile umjida i-include a European buyout clause. So mekufika nje isimo yase-Europe efuna umthenga umjida isengambuy out from Orlando Pirates. So no any other African team can buy out u-Evidence Makgopa currently because usayine a 3-year deal with Orlando Pirates. Sazi-ke, money talks, we will never know. But-ke currently umjida he will stay with Orlando Pirates for another 3 years with an option for one more. Kwezinye izindaba engiyizwile kuthiwa uSamkelo Zwane is set to stay kuKaizer Chiefs. Umjida kuthiwa usazohlala kwiKaizer Chiefs. Singeze sazi-ke bafethu, but-ke iKaizer Chiefs ifuna ukumgcina umjida. Ngezwe kuthiwa there are possibilities of loan for yena uSamkelo Zwane, but-ke indaba engiyizwayo kuthiwa ngenzeka ahlala. The former Orlando Pirates striker uEvanga has rejoined the Chilli Boys on 1-year deal just months after being released by Chippa United. Chippa United kahle kahle ayizazi bafethu. Lo mjida lo isathanda ngumrelease with a group of players ababebaningi. I think 18 of those players bebe released with Chippa United. Umjida sebembuyisile on a 1-year deal. The former Kaizer Chiefs defender uTeenage Hadebe is close to joining a Turkish side. Lo mjida le uzoyijoyina nje le club le eqhamuka kwi-FC Cincinnati. Kuthiwa nje le deal le i-FC Cincinnati bethi ifuna imali engango 50 million rands. 50 million rands njobe uyijoyina uzojoyina i-deal ebalelwa ku-3 years. Kwezinye izindaba futhi Chippa United made some changes in the technical team. The former Sekhukhune United assistant coach uSly Mosala will join the senior side. Mase kuthiwa uMegan Mamila yena use-deployed to the DD side yeChippa United. Uyocoacha nje manje i-DDC side yeChippa United. I don't know between uMegan Mamila neChippa United. Lo mjida lo uhleze ezobuya kuChippa United aphinda axoshwe futhi, but-ke right now Timothiwe uyele ku-DDC. Kwezinye izindaba engiyizwile bafethu kuthiwa iKaizer Chiefs ucoach wayo ushilo ukuthi baningi abadlali, bakhona abadlali actually asazobakhipha before iwindi livalwe ngomhla 22 September. Yabo uyasho la uthi yes, it's true, that squad is big. The club is working on option to try to offload the squad, especially to give possibilities to some players that didn't have consistency or didn't have enough time to get more playing time into other teams. Yabo. So njwanizwa bafethu singabona abanye abadlali kwiKaizer Chiefs behamba. Kazobala abo ngangitshela ama-comments ibapha abadlali ongenze abahambe kwiKaizer Chiefs. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu namhlanje kuthiwa ABC Motsepe League side iPhalaborwa United have appointed uTefu Mashadi Mayite as their new head coach. Their new head coach. Imagine bafethu, this boy, not even a boy, umjida mdala nginami. I don't know why I'm calling him a boy. This guy was playing for iKaizer Chiefs not so long ago. Won a league with the Kaizer Chiefs not so long ago. Right now, say boy head coach quick club ABC Motsepe League. We want to see more of the players abebedlala kuPretho Premiership. Benza izinto ezikanje. Yabo, Danny Clayton wakwenza lokho. Danny Clayton, Benny McCarthy siyambona uyashayina le. Yabo, we need to see more players bafethu. We need to see more players doing this. Hayi abadlali bahambe bohlala lapha ku YouTube bakhulume. We need to see more former players abebedlala kuPretho Premiership beba coach baba isibonele sihle. Baba isibonele sihle kubanye abadlali abadlala kuPretho Premiership. Ungaqedi icareer yakho kuyibhola uyohlala ku-YouTube ukhulume abadlali, ukhulume ama-team, yabo uthi ubani badlala kanjani bangaba abadlali kahle. No, take time to go and study to be a coach and become a coach. Tefu Mashamayite right now wenza into encomeka kakhulu, ngiyayithanda lento engiyibonayo. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile namhlanje kuthiwa iDurban City si-announcile i-signing entsha. Ngiyakhumbula bafethu I spoke about this guy uTerence Mashego For me, I think this is a good signing for Durban City, because when you look at Terence Mashego, even though bengadlali kuMamelodi Sundowns, but this is a quality wing back. This is a quality wing back, and look at the squad of Durban City. They've made many signings. And lo mjida lo uzo-add kuleyo quality ekhona. I see Durban City bafethu ifinisha nje ku top 8 le season lesiyona. I see them finishing with top 8. Yes, I made a prediction ukuthi abajida ngeke benze kahle, but looking at the signings asebewenzile, hayi ngempela abajida bayangimangaza mina. Sakuyona nje Durban City si signed the former Orlando Pirates striker uLetsi Kgopeng. Umjida bafethu bedlalela iOrbit College, but ke kuthi Durban City imsayinile asazi-ke. Ngisakhona la eThekwini bafethu amaZulu aseconfirmile the 2 signings promising wingers okuThapelo Motloko noAthini Mokoqolo. Labadlali ke laba bafethu letho bazofika kuSuthu Mabheshankone bakwazi ukulisiza. USuthu nalo ngiyalibona kancane liyazama atazwane lapha kukhona akuhlanganisayo. Let's hope izinto zizomlungela khona bafethu. Ngizwe kwiKaizer Chiefs, kuthiwa iKaizer Chiefs ifuna imidfielder yaseNigeria ena 22 years old uClement Ikeana. Iclement Ike angwazi ukupronounce leli gama Ikana, but ke iKaizer Chiefs ifuna umsayina lo mjida lo. Let's hope iKaizer Chiefs izokwazi ukuyithola isigning yakhe. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumene namhlanje kuthiwa iPSL izokwazi ukuthi ithole imali from uFIFA. iFIFA isi-expandile iClub Benefit Program, which for first time izo-rewarda ama-team ngokurelease abadlali babo. Yabo, izo-rewarda ama-team ngokurelease abadlali babo. Imali esikhishiwe imali $355 million, about 6.4 billion for distribution kuma-club worldwide. Let's say Orlando Pirates izo-release abadlali abawu-5, iSundowns i-release abadlali abawu-5, iKaizer Chiefs i-release nayo abadlali abawu-5 bawudlala kuBafana Bafana. Umdlali nomdlali uworth imali. Uworth imali. So 70% of imali abazoyithola la, like 70% of imali ezokwenziwa iBafana Bafana izoya nakuyona ama-team. So ama-team azohlomula ngokudedela abadlali babo bayodlala le kuma international games. Yabo, ama-international games nje izothola ama-team amaningi ena imali. Yabo, kumnandi-ke lokhu, zimnandi le ndaba lezi angifuqa amanga. Kwezinye izindaba futhi Mamelodi Sundowns isi-extende i-loan deal kulomjida lo abamdlalisa le kuma-Tuks uSiyanda Msane. Umjida kuthiwa ozospenda isizini entsha u-2025-2026 season with i-University of Pretoria. Umjida una-24 years old, uzobe compete kwisquad sikaKwanele Gopo. uKwanele Gopo ke bafethu lapha usebenzisana noLesego Sebatlela. To be honest, there are many Sundowns players who are not playing for Mamelodi Sundowns, and lento le ihlezi confused ukuthi kahle how many Sundowns players there are in South Africa. Because when you look at players like Osiyanda Msane right now, at heart contract yakhe uyi-Sundowns player, but udlala le ku-NFD. This guy maybe must be playing with Betway Premiership for some teams in Betway Premiership. Yabo, so